In this video, we'll be showing you how you can activate your TikTok Paylater. First is to head into your TikTok account or your TikTok app and then click the shop icon that you can see in the navigation bar below it. Now you will notice that in the shop there are different things that you can choose from, which are the orders, free shipping, messages, bonus, and the Paylater. So click the Paylater. And then this will redirect you into this page where you have to verify your phone number and also add your personal information. Click the check my credit limit and then input your number here. Now click the next button and then TikTok will send a verification code into your phone, so just input it. Now click the continue button. And here you have to create a payment PIN. Here you just need to click the continue button again, since we will be adding the verification part or our identification verification part. So after selecting the ID that you will be using for this, just click the continue button and then complete the whole process on getting your personal information or verifying your personal information. And that's it. That's how you can activate your TikTok Paylater, and thank you for listening.